Hello everyone, welcome to our Power BI series. In this series, we will be covering Power BI from scratch. So, let's get started with today. So, today's topic is Introduction to Power BI. In today's video, we will be covering what is Power BI, components of Power BI, why Power BI, and flow activity in Power BI. So, first one is what is Power BI? In the term itself, BI stands for business intelligence. Business intelligence is a technology driven process in which business data is pulled into the tool and presented in user friendly views such as reports, dashboards, etc. Microsoft Power BI is a business intelligence tool which helps you to analyze your data, clean your data, and convert that data to visual format. Secondly, the components of Power BI. Power BI is a package of four components. First one is Power Query. Power Query is the ETL tool. ETL means extract, transform, and load. So basically, we extract the data from any of the data source, transform that data, and load the data into the Power BI. It is used for data cleansing. So when you have null records, blank values or empty values or any kind of uncleaned data, then Power Query is used for data cleansing. Second, we have Power Pivot. Power Pivot is used for data modeling. If you have multiple data sources and you want to connect them, create relationship, then you can use Power Pivot. So data modeling itself refers to creating relationships among the tables. Thirdly, we have Power View. Power View is used for visualization. In this, you will be able to create visualizations using different kinds of charts. We can have 250 plus charts, which could be bar chart, line chart, donut chart, any kind of map we can have, etc. So, this Power View is used for representation of data. Fourth, we have Power BI service. After performing all the ETL operations, data modeling, and visualization, you need to publish the report to Power BI service. This Power BI service is the online cloud version of Power BI. It is used to share the published report with many people globally so that the report users could communicate with each other using this Power BI service. So, consolidatingly, Power BI is a package of these four components: Power Query for ETL operations, Power Pivot for data modeling, Power View for visualizations, and Power BI service to share the published report with many people globally. Next, we have why Power BI. So, I'll let you know the top 5 reasons why Power BI should be used for visualizations. So our first reason is search for Google Trends to any of the browser and search for Power BI in Google Trends. So if we search there in the Google Trends, I have searched Power BI for worldwide for past 5 years. If we search it, then it will show me the results in the form of interest over time. So you can observe that the interest over time is continuously increasing in terms of time. Interest over time indicates here as the usage and search for Power BI is increasing continuously. If we search for some other country, we can say United Kingdom for past 5 years. You can observe that here also it is getting increased. If we search for India, you can now here also you can observe it is getting increased. Now if we compare with some other BI tool, suppose Tableau, Here you can see that blue is for Power BI and red is for Tableau. You can see that for Power BI it is continuously increasing over the time. So this is the reason. If we search here for again United Kingdom, here also you can observe that for Power BI the trend is increasing. The trend here is interest over time. Now coming back to our slides, the second reason we have is maximum number of features. So we have different functions in Power BI to which we call AM function and DEX function. AM functions are used for power querying and DEX are the data analysis expressions we use for create expressions. So we have 120 plus different expressions and 280 plus visuals and charts. These records are the highest in comparison to other BI tools. Next come to cost of Power BI. Cost of Power BI is cheapest as per the Gartner's Magic Quadrant in comparison to other BI tools. Cost means the license. If we are talking about the cost of Power BI means licensing part of Power BI. Next is data connectivity. We have 100 plus of data sources to which Power BI can be connected. These data sources can be any database, cloud, file, or we have SharePoint. So databases example SAP, Teradata, Oracle, SQL. Files can be Excel file, CSV file, PDF file, and cloud could be our Azure, AWS, or we have a Google Cloud. Next, we have Gartner, recognized by Gartner. So, as you can see that Microsoft is the leading company in the Magic Quadrant for analytics and business intelligence platforms. And Power BI is the Microsoft product. So, Power BI is on the boom. Moving forward, the flow activity of Power BI. So, what are the steps involved in developing Power BI reports or dashboards? This slide contains those steps. So, first one is connecting data with Power BI. So, we are talking about uh, visualizations and data connectivity, then we must have data in our Power BI report. So, to bring data in our Power BI report, the data must be connected. We bring that data from any of the data sources we discussed previously. Then we transform that data and then model the data, creating relationships. Suppose that when the transformation modeling is done, we used to visualize that data and publish the reports to Power BI service. And using Power BI service, we used to share the reports with multiple users across the globe. Also, one thing we can use the reports and dashboards in Power BI service in the web version, as well as we have Power BI mobile app through which we can view and interact our reports and dashboards. Thanks for watching our video.